students, now in this video also we will solve the problem of to obtain the dual from the primal. Now the third type I am taking, appearance of an equality constraint. So in that one, suppose the first one I am taking minimize z equal to 2x2 plus 5x3 subject to x1 plus x2 greater equal to, then 2x1 plus x2 plus 6x3 greater less equal 6, then x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 equal to 4, such that x1, x2, x3 greater equal 0. Now here, since given problem or given LPP is of which type? Minimization type. Is of minimization type. So this implies all constraints must be of which type? Greater equal type. All constraint must be of greater equal type. This is important here. Now here this is already a greater equal type, no matter. Now this can be reduced into greater equal type. How does? By simply multiplying both sides by -1. It will become minus 2x1 minus x2 minus 6x3 greater equal minus 6. It will become greater equal type. Now this equality constraint, you know, this will give two constraints, that is x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 less equal 4 and x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 greater equal 4. Now we need a greater equal type constraint, so this will we keep as it is. This one we will reduce into greater equal. How does? Minus x1 plus x2 minus 3x3 greater equal minus 4. So this is our one constraint for equality and this is another constraint for equality. Now they are of greater equal type. This is the second constraint of greater equal type and this is already given in a greater equal type. So the same problem can be written as, therefore the primal can be written as, it's another form. We will simply write it as written as minimize z equal to, this objective function will be same, 2x2 plus 5x3 subject to what? The same, x1 plus x2 greater equal 2, then minus 2x1 minus x2 minus 6x3 greater equal minus 6, then this constraint minus x1 plus x2 minus 3x3 greater equal minus 4, and then next one x1 minus x2 plus 3x3 greater equal 4. As such I can write such that x1, x2, x3 greater equal 0. The same problem I have been written in another form to get our dual. So as minimization type, so all constraints are of greater equal type now. Therefore let me write the solution for dual. Now the primal has how many variables? Look at here. While in objective function, two variables we can look, but it is x2, x3. Look at from here, three variables it has. It has three variables and four constants. Four constants. So this implies dual will take four variables and three constants. Okay. Now let y1, y2, y3, y4 are the dual variables. Suppose these are the dual variables. Now let us summarize. Therefore, summarize the primal dual table. As primal variables and here dual variables. Okay, primal variables are x1, x2, x3. Dual variables are y1, y2, y3, y4. So let me write the coefficients of them from the constraint. Right hand side constants. Okay, so here it is 1, 1, 0 greater equal to. It is -2, -1, -6 greater equal -6. Then -1, 1, -3 greater equal -4. Then again 1, -1, 3 greater equal 4. Now these are greater equal type. So in dual this become less equal type. So less equal x1 is absent, so its coefficient 0. Less equal x2, so it is 2. Less equal, this is 5. Therefore the dual is what does that? It will be minimize, so I must write maximize z star equal to 2y1 minus 6y2 minus 4y3 plus y4. 2y1 minus 6y2 minus 4y3 plus 4y4 subject to what? y1 minus 2y2 minus y3 plus y4 less equal 0. Now y1 minus y2 plus y3 minus y4 less equal 2. Then this is 0. So minus 6y2 minus 3y3 minus y4 less equal 5. Such that y1, y2, y3, y4 greater equal 0. This dual can be written as such, but the most simplified form of this dual can be written as, let me write that. Let me taught you how does we write that. Look at it carefully. Here this, let me write maximize z star, or I can say that is maximize z star equal to, what is here, 2y1 minus 6y2. Now we can take 4 common here. So 4 will be common or let me take minus 4 common. So minus 4 common, what does it will be? y3 minus y4. It will become as such. Look at it carefully. Minus 4y3 and minus minus becomes plus 4y4. Okay. Now subject to we can write y1 minus 2y2. Again from these two we can take minus 1 common. So minus y3 minus y4 less equal 0. From second constraint y1 minus y2 plus y3 minus y4 less equal 2. Next one minus 6y2 plus here it is minus 3y4 is here. So plus 3y4 is here. So let us take minus 3 common from here. Minus 3 common, it will be y3 minus y4 less equal 5. Is it okay to you here? Look at it carefully. Minus 6y2 minus 3y3 plus 3y4. By mistake I have been written there minus y4. Sorry for that. Okay. Now simply I had taken y3 minus y4 in one bracket. Wherever it is possible to take common between them. Okay. Now look at this one here such that y1, y2, y3, y4 greater equal 0. Again this can be written as maximize z star equal to 2y1 minus 6y2 minus 4. Let me write y3 star. You are familiar to this notation. What does it? It is unrestricted variable. Subject to, let me write here y1 minus 2y2 minus y3 star. I am writing y3 minus y4 as y3 star less equal 0. Here y1 minus y2 plus y3 star less equal 2. Then minus 6y2 minus 3y3 star less equal 5. So here such that this y1 y2 greater equal 0 and y3 star equal to y3 minus y4 and is unrestricted. It is unrestricted variable. So from this problem we are getting that if equality constraint in a primal, then in dual we get an unrestricted variable. Now let us solve one more problem of the same kind. Let it be B. Maximize z equal to 5x1 plus 10x2 subject to 2x1 minus 3x2 less equal 7. Then x1 plus 2x2 equal to 4. x1 x2 such that x1 x2 greater equal 0. So the solution is, now here the problem is of maximized type. So all constant must be of less equal type. So since given LPP is of maximization type, so all constants must be of less equal type. If minimization, they are of greater equal type. If maximization, they are of less equal type. Therefore, we get maximize maxima is z equal to, this is same, 5x1 plus 10x2 subject to, now this first constant is already of less equal type, so it will remain same. Now this equality constant is again give two constants, that is x1 plus 2x2 less equal 4 and x1 plus 2x2 greater equal 4. Now in previous problem we want greater equal type constant, that time we have been reduced to this one. So now here we want of less equal type constant, so let us reduce to this one. So it will become x1, not x1, sorry, we have to do it of less equal type. So minus x1 minus 2x2 less equal minus 4. So this is our one constraint for equality and this is the other. So let me write them here. x1 plus 2x2 less equal 4 and minus x1 minus 2x2 less equal minus 4. As such, we get all the constants are of less equal type such that x1 x2 greater equal 0. Now as the primal has how many variables? Two variables and three constants. Therefore its dual will take three variables and two constants. Okay. Now let y1, y2, y3 are the dual variables. Okay. Therefore summarize primal dual table as primal variables here dual variables. So primal variables are x1, x2, dual variables are y1, y2, y3. So let us write them. What we get here? 2 minus 3 less equal 7. Here 1, 2 less equal 4. Minus 1, minus 2 less equal minus 4. And are of less equal type. So in dual they become of greater equal 5. Again greater equal 10. Therefore the required dual is, how can we write the dual? The required dual is what? Minimize z star equal to 7y1 plus 4y2 minus 4y3. 7y1 plus 4y2 minus 4y3. Okay. Subject to 2y1 plus y2 minus y3 greater equal 5. Again minus 3y1 plus 2y2 minus 2y3 greater equal 10, such that y1 y2 y3 greater equal 0. That is same as to say, now you know equality constant, so it can be taken common here. That is same as to say minimize z star equal to 7y1. Now from these two we can take 4 common. So y2 minus y3 subject to we can write 2y1 plus y2 minus y3 greater equal 5. Again minus 3y1 plus 2 into y2 minus y3 greater equal 10, such that y1 y2 y3 greater equal 0. That is same as minimize z star equal to 7y1 plus 4 into y2 star. It is unrestricted. Subject to 2y1 plus y2 star greater equal 5. Again minus 3y1 plus 2y2 star greater equal 10, such that y1 is greater equal 0 and y2 star is equal to y2 minus y3 is unrestricted variable, and this is the most simplified dual of this given LPP. So if equality constant is there, always remember there is an unrestricted variable. Now the next case we have to look, if unrestricted variable is present, then it must gives us equality constant in the dual. Let us see that type of problem. Now let us take the next type, appearance of unrestricted variable. So example for that, suppose minimize z star equal to 7y1 plus 4y2 star subject to 2y1 plus y2 star greater equal 5 minus 3y1 plus 2y2 star greater equal 10, where y1 greater equal 0 and y2 star unrestricted. y2 star is unrestricted. So now here, since y2 star is unrestricted, variable, therefore it is difference of two non-negative variables. Okay, therefore let it be y2 star is equal to y2 minus y3, where y2 y3 are greater equal 0. So according to that, this problem will become, therefore the problem becomes minimize z star equal to 7y1 plus 4 y2 star. y2 star is what? y2 minus y3 subject to subject to what? 2y1 plus y2 minus y3 greater equal 5 minus 3y1 plus 2 times y2 minus y3 greater equal 10, such that this is also here, such that y1, now y1 is positive already, y2 star we have been assumed, in that one y2 y3 are positive, so y2 y3 all are what? Greater equal 0. Now the same thing can be written as that is minimize z star equal to 7y1 plus 4y2 minus 4y3 subject to 2y1 plus y2 minus y3 greater equal 5. Here minus 3y1 plus 2y2 minus 2y3 greater equal 10. Just simply we have been opened the brackets such that y1, y2, y3 greater equal 0. Now it is of minimization type. All the constants are of greater equal type. So no need to do any changes. Now here the primal has 3 variables and 2 constants. So dual has 2 variables and 3 constants. So let us write them. Here let me write, since a primal has 3 variables and 2 constants. So this implies the dual has 2 variables and 3 constants. Okay. Therefore, let y1, y2 are the dual variables. Let it be dual variables are what? y1 and y2. Okay. Therefore, summarize primal dual table as it will be primal variables here dual variables. Now primal variables are y1, y2, y3. Let it be, sorry, here I have made a mistake. y1, y2 are in primal, so here let me assume x1, x2. x1, x2 are the dual variables. Suppose x1 and x2 are our dual variables. So this will become what are the coefficients? Let us write down them. So here we get, it is 2, 1, minus 1 greater equal 5. Here minus 3. Here 2 minus 2 greater equal 10. Now here greater equal type. So in dual they will be less equal type. So less equal 7, less equal 4 and less equal minus 4. Therefore the required dual is what does it? It will be, look at it, it is minimized, so maximize. Now it is z star is here, so I must write z equal to 5x1 plus 10x2 subject to what should we write? 2x1 minus 3x2. 2x1 minus 3x2 less equal 7. Then x1 plus 2x2 less equal 4. Then minus x1 minus 2x2 less equal minus 4. Now here such that x1 x2 greater equal 0. Now here look at these two constants. This is x1 plus 2x2 less equal 4. Now this second one or this third constant can be written as x1 plus 2x2 greater equal 4. I can write it as such by multiplying throughout by minus 1. This negative will get cancelled. Now this is less equal 4. This is greater equal 4. Left hand side is same, means this is equal to 4. Therefore, that is, it can be written as maximize z equal to 5x1 plus 10x2 subject to what? 2x1 minus 3x2 less equal 7. Okay, this is x1 plus 2x2 less equal 4 and x1 plus 2x2 greater equal 4. This togetherly will give x1 plus 2x2 equal to 4 such that x1 x2 greater equal 0. Now here no need to write these one. Simply if you write this as a second constant and then this condition, then it is okay. This is our required dual of this given LPP. Now you should note that if equality constant is there, just we have taken the previous problem, if equality constant is there, in dual we get unrestricted variable, or if unrestricted variable is there, in dual we get equality constant. Now let me write that as a note. Let us write down a note. If the primal LPP has equality constant then its dual has an unrestricted variable. And vice versa. We have been seen both the cases. When the LPP has an equality constant, then we get an unrestricted variable in the dual, and also the unrestricted variable in the dual, then we get the equality constant. Unrestricted variable in the primal, then we get the equality constant in its dual. Also, this is one note. Then second note, it may be observed that dual is the primal. Dual of dual is the primal. Now let us prove this. Let me write a question. Construct a LPP to verify the dual of dual is the primal. Means twice we take a dual, then it gives the original one or the primal. So let us write the question. Let I may take the maximize z equal to x1 plus 3x2 subject to what is x1 plus 2x2 less equal 6, x1 plus 9x2 less equal 9, such that x1 x2 greater equal 0. Now no need to write the theoretical part always. Now here you can directly write the dual from this. Look at these right hand side constants will become the coefficient of objective function in the dual. Here the coefficients of x1 gives the first constant and this is the right hand side constant for that, and the coefficients of x2 will give the second constant with the right hand side constant or is the coefficient of x2 here. Now this primal has two variables and two constants, so dual also have two variables and two constants. Therefore let me write the dual directly, or if you have a doubt you can go through the table. Dual is maximize, minimize will become, sorry, it is maximize, so dual will become minimize. Minimize z star. Constant are of less equal, so they becomes greater equal. Z star is equal to what? This 6y1 plus 9y2. 6y1 plus 9y2 subject to what? Here I get y1 plus y2. Now less equal, so in minimum it will become greater equal this one 1. Again 2y1 plus 9y2. Coefficients of x2 will give the second constant. Greater equal, this is 3. Okay, such that y1 y2 greater equal 0. Now let us take the dual of this one again. So therefore again dual is, let us take the dual of this one. So it is of minimization type, constant are of greater equal type, so that will become maximize z star of star equal to, this will be, it will be, this is x1 plus 3x2. Okay, subject to what happened here, the coefficients of y1 will give first constant, so x1 plus 2x2 greater equal will become less equal this 6. Next x1 plus 9x2 again less equal what? 9, such that x1 x2 greater equal 0. So you can look at this problem and this one, both are same. So it is proved that it is what? A primal. So therefore it is proved that the dual is the primal. Okay, now in next video we will see the fundamental theorem of duality and the principle of duality to solve the LPP using simplex method. Means sometimes the primal is given to us and we will obtain its dual, and the dual is solved using simplex method, and from the solution of the dual also we can get the solution of the primal. That thing we will see in our next video. Thank you.